this morning, 40 miles from our mill, between a forged signature and a system built to fail. I got a curbside box right there at the end of the line, but they're playing safety games, trying to mess with my mind. I got a brain that's healing and a spirit they can't break, but every mile I have to drive is a mile they're gonna pay for God's sake. You want a good way to get me to back the fuck off, then leave me the fuck alone and do your goddamn job. I'm a survivor, I'm a pastor, I'm the one you couldn't kill. I'm finishing the fight you started, and I'm standing on the hill. Stamped that tort in Tipton, saw the look in their eyes. They tried to hide behind the counter, tried to feed me more lies. I caught them in the park, staring while they're moving the wheel. Got it all on video, yeah, I'm showing how it feels. Allison and Tara, put your names on the line, because Senator Grassley's office is looking at your crimes. You want a good way to get me to back the fuck off, then leave me the fuck alone and do your goddamn job. I'm a survivor, I'm a pastor, I'm the one you couldn't kill. I'm finishing the fight you started, and I'm standing on the hill. I've had pieces of shit for lawyers, I've had ghosts at dry, but I'm my own best advocate under this big Iowa sky. Elevated essentials, yeah, that's where the music plays. I'm clearing out the poison, and I'm ending these dark days. Put it on the bill, forging my name, yeah, keep climbing that hill. I'm not starting nothing, honey, I'm the one who ends the show. Do your job, deliver my mail, and just let me go. Just leave me.